Good morning, children. We have already learned in the chapter that mass of an object is a measure of its inertia. We have also learned that greater the mass, the greater is the inertia. It remains the same whether the object is on the earth, the moon, or even in the outer space. Thus, mass of an object is constant and does not changes from place to place. The mass of an object, regardless of where the object is, its unit is kg. Now comes what is weight, children. We know that Earth attracts every object with certain force, and this force depends on the mass of the object and acceleration due to gravity. The weight of an object is a measure of gravitational attraction of an object, or we can say that the weight of an object is the force with which it is attracted towards the earth. Weight depends on where the object is. Whether you are at the poles, you are in the center of the earth, you are at the equator. We know that force is equals to mass into acceleration, and we have said that weight is a force with which the objects are attracted towards the earth. So weight is equals to mass into acceleration due to gravity, and the unit of the weight is Newton. Yes, children. To know the difference between mass and weight, you all know that as the weight of the object is the force with which it is attracted towards the earth, the unit is Newton. So the weight is the force acting vertically downwards. It has both magnitude and direction. It has both magnitude and direction. So weight is a vector quantity, whereas mass is a scalar quantity. As we all know that the value of g is constant at a given place, so at a given place, the weight of the object is directly proportional to the mass. It is due to this reason that at a given place, we can use the weight of the object as a measure of its mass. The mass of the object remains same everywhere, whereas the weight of the object depends on the location. If we have the difference between mass and weight, mass is a scalar quantity, weight is a vector quantity. Mass of the rigid body is regular everywhere in the universe, whereas the weight of the rigid body alters from place to place and inclines zero at the center of the earth due to gravity. Mass can be resulted by a traditional balance, whereas weight is defined by a spring balance. Unit of mass is kg, whereas weight is newtons. Mass can never be zero. Weight can be zero, especially at the center of the earth where gravity is zero. Mass does not change based on the location. Weight changes based on the location, depends on the gravity it experiences. And the last, mass is measured using an ordinary weighing scale, and weight is measured using spring balance. Okay, children? Now you must have understood the difference between mass and weight. Now let us start the assignment.